Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am now 28 weeks pregnant. It literally feels like time just flew by, but it is now time to start nesting. So the room is currently empty. You can probably hear my echo in here, but we're gonna go ahead and start setting up the nursery. I wanted to do it before I'm like wobbling around because I already can't do too much. As you guys can see, my stomach literally has blown up overnight, it seems like. So I want to be able to help, I'm a very hands-on person. So I want to be able to help my man put some of this stuff together, even if it's me just being just being here for emotional support. I want to be a part of it. So we do have the crib, which is what he's bringing in now. We also have the dresser, and we have a chair and a mirror. So I want to go ahead and get the essentials in here. I still need to shop for a rug and curtains, but that can wait till after we put the furniture up. But for this room, I do want to go very minimalist and clean looking, and throwing in the nudes and the green. The green obviously is the accent color, but I'm just really excited to see it come to life. I do have my little Pinterest board for inspirations, and so it's gonna be kind of like a boho type of theme with the nudes and the green, and then I am gonna be throwing in accents or wood accents. I did redo the floors in here. It was carpet before, and so I changed it to the wooden floor. Well, it's vinyl, but it's the wooden look. And so the crib and the dresser are also a wooden look. I was scared that it would clash, but with me doing a big rug in here, which is most likely gonna be an off-white color, I feel like it's gonna all kind of tie in together. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything together, and we'll see how it comes together. I'm gonna show you guys, I guess, kind of my vision for the room. And so right here on the screen wall is where the crib is gonna go. So right there in the center, I do have, and that green, y'all, looks a lot different on the camera than it does in person. It's more of a darker shade of sage green, and then on the camera it looks like a forest green. So yeah, but we're gonna have a big sign with his name on the wall. Right here in the corner, I want a big chair, recliner chair, and so we already have that as well. And then on this wall is gonna go, a dresser is gonna go with a mirror, if you guys can see. So with the mirror on top, and then instead of doing a changing table, I wanna do the little changing pad on top of the dresser. And so this is all of our furniture so far. So we have the chair, the dresser, the crib, the mattress, Bob the Builder, and then I bought some shelves that are going on this wall. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Hopefully it doesn't take us too long, but we will see how it turns out.
You need to go get you a seat.
A seat?
Yeah.
What do I need a seat for? What do I need a seat for?
Because you don't need to be doing too much standing.
I just started.
Well, I'm saying, well, you can just sit on that. No, I know you just start on.
Or you want to do this and I do the dresser?
No. We can work together. See? Yay.
Oh.
Yeah, put this in the trash.
What is that?
Big ones like this one.
The crib.
At the bottom.
Set it to the side.
It go on the side.
Yeah, on the side and in the back.
Put
the front and the back.
Put this on with that one.
I know how to do this. Wait, put this here. You're more than
Paso dos.
Viene en casa uno.
Oh.
5 and 6 go to 7 and 8. So here's 7 and 8.
7, 8.
There we go. Whew.
It's hot. Looks like we're gonna put together everything. Should a case to lay in it?
That's kind of low.
That's what I was thinking.
We can just leave it like this for now.
Huh?
I said we can leave it like this for now.
Okay. The first step is basically
Alrighty, y'all. So far we've put together the crib. We literally just finished putting together the dresser as well. But I helped you at the end. But now we have our cheetah chair, which I'm really excited about because I feel like as a parent or soon to be parent, like comfort is your number one priority. And so having something comfortable to sit in while feeding the baby or putting the baby to sleep was my number one priority. And so after lots of research, I ended up coming across this cheetah chair. I didn't really want like a rocking chair. I wanted something more of like with a swivel, is that how you say it? Swivel. So it does swivel, and then it is an electric recliner. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. I did get like an off-white color because this room the nursery room, I want it to be very neutral. And it is a big size, y'all. So I had planned to originally put it next to the crib, but I don't know.
hold the box.
Okay, hold on. I like the color. Where's it? Put it in there. I like how it has this for like. Oh, that felt good right here. All right. But let me just tell you a little bit more about the chair, because not only am I in love with the color, the quality of the material, how modern it is. Like, I literally picked the perfect chair for my nursery room, but it's also very smooth. It's very quiet as well. It does have a 270-degree swivel, and it also has a 90 to 135 recline angle, which is perfect for just relaxing, feeding, or resting. So I definitely will be in this chair even before the baby comes, because it's literally that comfortable. And I love that lumbar support that you guys see there, because I struggle with a lot of back pain and sciatic nerve pain. So this definitely will be my new best friend. And then also, to top it off, it does have a charger on there, a charger port, which, I mean, you just can't beat that. Like, it's a must at this point. But here's a closer look at the chair. Like I said, very high quality. It does have the button to recline it forward and back, and of course the charger ports. And as I mentioned, it is very smooth and quiet, so when I have the baby, if I want to recline back a little bit some more, I'll be able to do that without waking the baby or bothering him. So definitely absolutely perfect. It is currently on sale with the Amazon Prime deals. It is $527. The original price is $649. So if you're looking for that perfect chair for your nursery room, I definitely would recommend that you check this one out. They have a lot of different colors, and then they also have the fox leather as well. But for me, this one was definitely the most perfect choice. And of course, my jealous fur baby wanted to give it a try as well. So I went ahead and showed him what baby boy has in store for him. But again, if you guys are interested in this chair, be sure to check it out while it's on sale. I'll be sure to leave the link down below in the description, or I'll also leave it in the comments for you guys.